Hey loves, welcome back. Today we have a quick backbend flow. This class is going to help us open up our backs. So make your way into a comfortable seated position. We'll spend a few moments here to ground ourselves before we start moving. Take another deep inhale. Slowly exhale. Bring the hands up overhead. Take a spinal twist to the right. Inhaling and exhaling. Hands up, inhale, exhale, hands down. Take another inhale, exhale. Hands up overhead, inhale, exhale, baby back bend. Come onto all fours into cat-cow. Inhale, dip the belly, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. Continue to move through your Gebnut at your own pace. Inhaling, exhaling, pushing the ground away, rounding your spine. When you are ready, start to walk the hands out in front of you, resting your forehead on the mat. If this feels good to you, then maybe you walk the hands out some more, resting your chin on the mat. Inhaling, exhaling, bringing your chest closer towards the ground. Walk the hands back, hips up and back, knees off your mat, coming into our pyramid. Inhale. Exhale, walk the feet to the fingertips. Grab the opposite end of your elbows and sway the body from side to side. In your forward fold, try to bring the body forward as much as you can. Hands to the heart, halfway lift, forward folds. Hands to the heart again, inhale, exhale, folds. Slowly start to come up, hands up overhead, baby back bends. Hands up overhead, hands to your heart. Fingertips pointing towards the sky, baby back bend. And slowly fold the body closer to earth. Step back, lower all the way down into your white jet. Open your heart. Pyramid. Step forward. Slowly come back up. So we just completed one round of our Kemetic sun salutation. We'll continue to work through this a couple more times. Feel free to go at your own pace. I'm going to stop talking and let you tune in to your breath and your body. Just do your thing. Each time you take your back bend, take an inhale, exhale, take the back bend. You want your movement and your breath to become one. And each time you complete one round of our journey of Ra, which is the Kemetic sun salutation, you want to see if you can go a little further in your back bend each time. Don't push yourself too hard. Listen to your body, but also challenge your mind, challenge your breath, and challenge your body. If you feel like this is fairly easy, then I encourage you to try going through the journey of Ra with your eyes closed. Close your eyes, tune into your breath and with your body and move through it. Envision yourself rising with the sun. The sun rises and sets every day. It never gets tired, it's never bored. And we are to do the same thing too. We get up, we move our bodies. It's something that we must do, just like the sun. This is our last baby back bend. Take a deep inhale, fill the belly up. Exhale, bend back, taking your time to feel it. Inhale. Exhale, lower into your throne of a set. Hands up. Slowly come down into a yogi squat, placing the elbows inside the thighs, using the elbows to push the knees away. You have the option to come into Masu Haru, or even try taking the puppy pose a second time. See how that feels now. You should feel pretty open. This should be a lot more gentle on your body since we've just warmed up our spine. Inhale and exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, bring yourself up into our sash pose variation 2. Take any additional movements here that you feel like your body is needing. Maybe a side body bend, hands to the heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Ashe.